Okay, for this we are going to need a 5/16 wrench, (7/64) Allen wrench, and a Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Also, probably a good idea just to have a flashlight and a flathead screwdriver around. So, I'm going to use this. This is my screwdriver, just for the sake of time, make it go faster. Remove the crank. Remove these 3 screws. And then this will come out. Be careful, there is still this wire connected in there. So be careful not to pull too much on that. What you're going to want to do is use your wrench, your Allen wrench, back up the nut on the back side here. Oh, lost my nut. When you're removing these screws, be careful. There is a spacer between 2 washers on here, and they will slide right off, so try to keep those together. Keep them somewhere safe. Get my nut out of here. Try not to lose those. And repeat. And remove the front panel like so, and you'll see you have this Molex connector here, like that. If pushing this down doesn't work to release the clasp, you can use a flathead driver to pry it up. So there you go. This is the part you'll be replacing. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in now. Set our front panel to the side. You do need to make sure that this machined part lines up to fit this, and that this notch here that's been machined lines up with this so that it can pass through into the front panel. So we will line it up like so. Okay, that's good. We will take our front panel, use our hole here to locate like so. Make sure our wires are all tucked into the front panel. Newer versions of the Spill Buddy will have more wiring and intrinsic safety barriers on the inside. Just try to keep them all on the inside of the panel here. Reconnect your Molex plug. Like so. make sure that your charging wire comes through that notch that's machined there, where the other one passes through, and everything's all lined up. So we're good there. And it's just a matter of putting all the parts back together, like so. Get this started with my hand. Holding the nut on the back. Continue around. And do the other three. Okay, so we've got all the nuts on, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down. You don't need to go, so tight that you're warping the part, but you want it to be fairly secure, so like so. Again, everything's lined up, everything fits well. Make sure everything is fitting well, that you don't have any strange gaps or anything like that. Everything's secure. So, and then check them with a screwdriver. And I believe we are good. There you go.